Alright, Hero Factory gave us some incredible weapons. Different swords, different blasters. But today, let's count down the 5 best Hero Factory weapons. Here we go. The number 5 spot goes to perhaps the most iconic Hero Factory set, Von Nebula. So this black hole orb staff, it's actually quite cool. In the story, it could be used to create black holes, or you could actually use it to spy on your enemies. Von Nebula did that. Looking inside the orb lets you see what other people are up to within the Hero Factory universe. That's cool! On top of that, the staff was also used to trigger the mass breakout. The breakout that led to basically every Hero Factory villain getting out of prison and getting up to no good. Without this thing, we wouldn't have had the greatest wave of Hero Factory sets. Breakout. So we've got a lot to be thankful for, and it's all because of this. So okay, story relevance, the powers, that's great. But it's also just a great design. The recolored blue and black orb, those marbled colors. It does mimic the look and feel of a black hole. It's gorgeous. And the way that those silver swords dance around the edges and spin, I think it looks incredible. Yeah, I like this one a lot. But the number 4 spot, well, it's just that little bit better. We're here to celebrate the staff that comes on Brain Attack, Evo. Evo had a bit of an underwater theme in this form, and his staff, looking a bit like a trident, I just think that's very fitting. And I always love it when a weapon is themed to the character. We're not just giving them, I don't know, a sword or a blaster because, yeah, that would look cool. No, there's a bit more thought behind why they have what they have. That's a recipe for something great. But I don't know, is this a trident? A trident needs 3 prongs. I guess technically this does. 1, 2, 3. But this one's really tiny. Maybe it is more of a bident with 2 prongs. Maybe I'm just being pedantic. It looks cool and that's all that matters. But I think it's the play feature that really makes this sing. The blades up top can rotate and spin in a very satisfying way. You can then extend them out, kind of flatten it like so. That in itself is pretty cool. But then you can keep spinning it and then it gets even better. All of this is just so much fun. It's so satisfying. And also I can totally imagine Evo using this underwater, spinning it like a propeller so that he can move at greater speed, using it in combat or using it to actually travel. Nice. But I can also see him spinning this around underwater to create like whirlpools. You know, stir up the water, use it to aid you in combat. You know, a good visual look and some really magnetic and electric play features. That is peak right there. You know, when you're looking to improve a staff, try spinning. That's a good trick. Number 3. This one goes to a pretty swell lad, Ferno. William Ferno. I don't know, I just love these blades. The translucent orange feels hot. Just looking at it, you can almost feel the fire effects that this would have. And how cool do these dual blades look? It's just a great design, but it goes a step further. You can take these out and give him 2 dual-wielding swords. Or you can put them back together and give him this kind of S-shaped blade. Or why not link them onto the arms and give him a bit of a jetpack? That trans orange really does look like exhaust or flames blaring out of a rocket on a jetpack. Wow. See, this is just so versatile, so customizable. And actually, I think another indicator that this is a good element is the fact that it's appeared in other sets. But it still felt exciting to see it used in this context. It didn't feel boring or similar. You know, Firelord restyles it with a nice shield embedded into it on the back. And that looks so good. And then Jawblade. He's got 2 of them and now they're in red. Ooh. And the way he's holding them feels so savage and powerful. This is cool. Yeah, anytime these were used, they looked so good. Heck yeah, man. The number 2 spot. This one goes out to the legend himself, Rocco 3.0. So this spiked hand design with posable fingers and big long claws. It's just so frickin' cool. What an excellent extension of the lion mask, keeping it on theme, on brand. It just makes sense within the Savage Planet theme of this wave of sets. It makes sense within the jungle setting. Like I said before, theming your weapons is so important. And we can't forget, it poses so well. It's just incredibly easy to put this boy in epic positions. We saw claw hands on a lot of the different Savage Planet sets, but Rocker, he just does it best. This is such a rad design. Even as a kid, when I first picked this set up, I was like, dude, that's so cool. And I still think that today. But the number one spot, it goes to, what I would probably call the best Hero Factory set ever. I've seen a lot of other people say the exact same thing. They call this set the greatest. Who is it? It's Breakout Breeze, and all of her incredible pieces. My favorite? The Tech Shield. This alone, I think, is enough reason to say it's the best, because it's just so cool. The beautiful trans-red color, the hexagonal pattern, even that interesting compound texture. It's a stunning element that really finishes this design off so nicely. Now, in Breakout, every hero is paired with a villain. Breeze fought Thornrax, a wasp-themed bad guy. So I like the fact that this weapon feels somewhat themed to that. Has Breeze repurposed some of the tech from this planet and used it to combat this villain? You get a fun bit of story with that, don't you? That's cool. We also see this exact same piece in a different color on Rocker. Anytime it's used, it looks so good. And I love seeing this piece pop up in mocks. Including it on whatever you make is a surefire recipe that you're going to build something sick. She's also got these sweet swords. Now again, we have seen these on other sets in different colors, but somehow it just looks so good on Breeze. She's also got that meteor blaster, or Zamasphere launcher, whatever you want to call it. Again, other sets have this, but she just looks so good with it. Maybe it's because her armor is kind of stylized to look a little bit like Samus. So this blaster just feels so appropriate, doesn't it? I think all three of these accessories work so well in tandem. In isolation, they're cool, but maybe there's cooler stuff. But together like this, alongside the armor, the overall visual look, alongside all of that, you get something really special. Something that stands out from every other set. It's one of those rare occurrences where everything just works. It's a perfect storm, a perfect combination. The end result is something truly magnificent. So, that's my thoughts on the best Hero Factory weapons. But what do you think? Are there any sets that didn't make it to this list that you think need to be here? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching, everyone. Happy building, and bye for now. I'm sorry, Surge. Forgive me. Your lightning swords are cool, but other sets just have cooler stuff. And also, I can't have you in every single video. I mean, come on.